Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. Understand Al-Quran and Salah the easy way 3-minute series, lesson number 49b, in which we will learn feminine forms for verbs. By the end of this lesson, we will learn 229 words which occur almost 41,000 times in the Quran. Let us learn the singular feminine verbs for Madi and Mudari' forms only, because they are the ones which occur most frequently in the Quran. And don't forget the TPI signs. Right hand for masculine like huwa and left hand for feminine words like hiya. So action please, use TPI. We have learned huwa fa'ala, he did. Hiya will be fa'alat, she did. And huwa yaf'alu, he does. Hiya taf'alu, she does. So you have to answer only the feminine form. So I will ask huwa fa'ala, hiya, and you will say fa'alat. Huwa yaf'alu hiya, and you will say taf'alu, and you will use the left hand. So answer me. Huwa fa'ala hiya, fa'alat. Huwa yaf'alu hiya, taf'alu. Let us apply that to 4 styles that we have learned, starting with fataha. So give me the feminine verbs only. Huwa fataha, hiya fatahat, she opened. Huwa yaftahu hiya taftahu, she opens. Huwa ja'ala hiya ja'alat, she made. Huwa yaj'alu hiya taj'alu, she makes. Let's take the second style, which is nasara. So give me the answers again. Huwa nasara hiya nasarat, she helped. Huwa yansuru hiya tansuru, she helps. Huwa khalaqa hiya khalaqat, she created. Huwa yakhluqu hiya takhluqu, she creates. Huwa abada hiya abadat, she worshipped. Huwa ya'budu hiya ta'budu, she worships. Huwa dhakara hiya dhakarat, she remembered. Huwa yadhkuru hiya tadhkuru, she remembers. Let's take the third style. Huwa daraba hiya darabat, she hit. Huwa yadribu hiya tadribu, she hits. And let's take the last style, which is sami'a. Huwa sami'a hiya sami'at, she heard. Huwa yasma'u hiya tasma'u, she hears. Huwa alima hiya alimat, she knew. Huwa ya'lamu hiya ta'lamu, she knows. And the last verb is huwa amila hiya amilat, she worked. Huwa ya'malu hiya ta'malu, she works. That's it for now. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.